Danny. I am a holistic interior designer of My Piece of Space, and today I'm going to be talking about Feng Shui for kids' rooms. So, if you were one of those who has given me the birthdays of your children, I thank you. I'm so excited to get into it today. So, why all this matters. So the benefit of knowing what your kid's energy type is so that you can help them to create a space that is uniquely tailored specifically to them. And then this can improve on their sleep, their focus, their emotional stability, their mindset, all the things, overall well-being. Um, the first group that I'm going to talk about is Gua 1. This is water. This is the dreamer. These kids are very imaginative. They love to think. They love to dream. They might be quiet, but really full of creative ideas. They enjoy peaceful activities. These kids are really children at heart, true water signs. Although it does not necessarily correlate with Western astrology. So saying water doesn't necessarily mean that you are a Cancer sign or a Pisces, but a lot of the same characteristics do apply. Also, so the Gua one, so I'm calling this like the dreamer. And Gua, again, remember that means house. So this is water. I have three children here. I have a April 28th girl, I have a June 1st girl, and I have an April 2nd girl. These women, young ladies, are all of a yin water type. So, like I was saying earlier, there's a spectrum of yin and yang. This is not the most yin or the least yin. It is like right in the middle. I would say like a 6 or 7 out of 10. So that means that they still have a pretty strong element of yang within them too. They still have quite a bit of fire. These children tend to be really gentle, really intuitive, highly adaptable. These are your kids that are going to go with the flow. They're really strong. They're really empathetic. They are really good at understanding others and other emotions. They can tend to get accused of being overly sensitive and can be prone to overthinking. And these children tend to be really gentle and intuitive, highly adaptable, really sensitive, could be prone to overthinking. They tend to run into a bit of overstimulation because they're such reflective and deep thinkers. Sometimes pulling them out of that state is a little bit of challenge. So having a space that is too busy or too cluttered can be really overwhelming for them and can really tend to disrupt their natural flow. Um, these young ladies really thrive in environments that have a lot of movement, thinking like curves. Nothing is too static, a lot of flexibility. Anything that's really rigid or static will stifle their creativity. So, like flexible spaces, things that can really change with their mood and their desires. Also, things that are not too cluttered, like a minimal aesthetic, would suit them best. Nice, soft, dimmable lights, and just a really good space where they feel emotionally safe and balanced. So that sums up the first round for Gua House 1. Even though you might have a yin energy dynamic type, if their space is not set up to meet their energy, they will go the other way. They will go into overdrive. So this is, if I'm saying, oh, you have a yin energy type kid and you're like, that's not my kid, well, we should probably look into that because one, it's a spectrum, yes, but two, there might be something that is causing a lot of negative influences that is impacting that. So today I am offering for all of you who have joined me here today and those who watch it again on the replay, a Feng Shui Starter Pack. And this is for parents who are interested in a deeper dive into discovering the Feng Shui for their kids' rooms. you will receive a greater in-depth report. Like what I gave you today is just like a little sprinkle of your kid's energy type. Um, you'll find out how this manifests in their personality, their behavior, their needs. Um, it looks into their core traits, their strengths, more their challenges, their relationships, their study habits and types, so you can help support how they study to make sure that the information is actually sticking. You can understand how to align their room with their personal energy type. So, like balancing the yin and the yang, and assessing how to really create an environment that supports their well being. You'll learn which elements of the five, the wood, fire, earth, metal, water, most support your kid's energy type. So knowing what elements will help or be a more detriment to your kid is really important. We all have two that are supportive and two that are detrimental. So I will let you know what that is. I will create a custom color palette that aligns specifically with your kid's energy type. So I'll give you the best directions for their bed, their desk, and other key furniture. So that's going to really promote the best energy flow, focus, and sleep. And I'm offering all of this for the low, low price of $49. It's amazing. And for this group here, this 15, and anyone else who watches this on the replay will get an exclusive buy one, get one. So two for $49. So if you have two kids, you can get two reports for $49. If you only got one kid, you could get a report for your kid and yourself for $49. If you ain't got no kids, you are a kid at heart, and you can get one for your kid at heart partner or your BFF too. So it is a really, really good offer. I am only extending this to the first 10 people who sign up for it. So this is a really, really good way to just like dip your toe in if you're interested. So you can DM me after this live and secure the offer. And if you're still on the fence and you want to learn a little bit more, you can check out my YouTube channel at by Danny Sinclair. And I also have a couple of other workshops that I am willing to share as well. So let me know if you are interested in learning more about the details and the inner workings and how everything works in Feng Shui. So they are, again, buy one, get one free. So not just for the kids, but also for the kids at heart. You don't want to miss out on this because I am only doing this for 10 people. Thank you so much for everyone who has tapped in. I will be sending this out, the video out to everyone who submitted. And if you have any questions, just DM me. If you need any other feedback, just let me know. I'm happy to assist. Take care. Love you much.